Among the forgotten and the discarded, a hidden masterpiece waits to be discovered. This is not a story of what was lost, but of what can be reclaimed. You are about to witness an almost impossible transformation. From a rusted piece of junk to a breathtaking work of art. The journey begins with the first wash, stripping away the layers of neglect. Beneath the grime, a glimmer of its former elegance remains. But the true damage lies deeper, etched by years of decay. The tools are laid out. The delicate surgery is about to begin. The case is opened, revealing the intricate, frozen heart of the machine. Every component, no matter how small, must be carefully removed. This is a world of microscopic gears and delicate springs. A universe of precision, now silent and seized by rust. The craftsman works with the steady hand of a master, deconstructing time itself. Each piece is a testament to an art form nearly lost. He documents every step, memorizing the complex choreography of the mechanism. The deconstruction is complete. Now, the revival can truly start. The delicate process of cleaning and restoring each individual part begins. Patience and precision are the only tools that matter here. Slowly, the original brilliance of the metal is unveiled. The intricate heart of the watch is carefully held. A tiny screw is adjusted, a microscopic movement with massive implications. This is where science and artistry converge. Each turn of the screwdriver is a step towards resurrection. The true challenge is unveiled, a case and bracelet consumed by rust. The first cleaning begins, a battle against years of corrosion. Gently, the accumulated decay is scrubbed away. The bracelet receives the same meticulous attention. Then, the painstaking work of polishing begins, removing the deep-seated rust. Sparks fly as the metal is reborn from its rusted shell. The original form and shine slowly start to re-emerge. This is a process of subtraction, removing the damage to reveal the beauty within. With a fine file, the craftsman refines the edges by hand. His touch is precise, reshaping the metal with masterful control. Even the smallest links of the bracelet are perfected. A final polish by hand brings out a brilliant luster. The face of the watch is restored, its name once again clear and proud. The restored components are laid out, gleaming and ready for reassembly. The tiny, intricate parts of the movement, all cleaned and revitalized. The transformation from its original state is astonishing. Each piece is a small victory in the war against decay. Now begins the delicate process of reassembly. The components are cleaned one final time before being put back into place. Each part is handled with the utmost care. The cleaned and polished pieces are arranged, ready to become whole again. This organized layout is the roadmap for the reconstruction. A special coating is applied to protect and lubricate the movement. The Tissot brand, a mark of quality, is treated with reverence. The watch face is painstakingly cleaned of any remaining rust. This process requires a gentle touch and immense patience. The result is a dial that looks almost new. More protective coating is applied to the intricate gears. Now, the heart of the watch is carefully reassembled, piece by tiny piece. The dance of the tweezers is precise and hypnotic. Each gear must mesh perfectly with the next. Slowly, the complex mechanism is brought back to life. This is where the magic of watchmaking happens. The balance wheel, the very pulse of the watch, is installed. One final gear is set into place. The reassembly continues, layer upon intricate layer. The restored movement is now complete, a marvel of engineering. Final adjustments are made with a tiny screwdriver. Every screw must be tightened to the perfect tension. The balance wheel is set in motion, and time begins to tick once more. It is a moment of triumph, a machine resurrected. The movement is reunited with its newly polished case. The hands of the watch are carefully placed onto the dial. The restored bracelet is reattached, making the watch whole again. The final product is breathtaking, a complete transformation. It is placed on the wrist, no longer a piece of trash, but a treasure. A symbol of beauty reclaimed from oblivion. The story returns to its beginning, to the source of forgotten things. Among the waste, another treasure was found. A watch band, caked in mud, the first clue. Beneath the dirt, a luxury timepiece lay dormant. The process of revival begins anew. The layers of filth are painstakingly removed. The old, damaged strap is discarded. The watch, though cleaner, still bears the deep scars of its neglect. But after the master's touch, it is reborn, perfect and pristine. Now for another challenge, a Hublot, its strap decayed and its heart rusted. The back is opened, revealing the extent of the damage. The delicate movement is choked with corrosion and debris. With immense care, the craftsman begins the delicate cleanup. The movement is carefully disassembled for a deep cleaning. Specialized tools are used to treat the rusted components. The mechanism is secured for the intricate work ahead. Each gear is removed, cleaned, and inspected. A special solution is applied to dissolve the rust and protect the metal. The work is slow and methodical, ensuring no damage is done. The smallest parts are treated with the same level of care. The movement is bathed, cleansing it of all impurities. The name Hublot Genève, a mark of Swiss luxury, is revealed. The restored components are now ready for reassembly. The clean movement is placed back in its holder. The case is also subjected to a deep cleaning process. Every trace of corrosion is meticulously scrubbed away. With a power tool, the case is polished to a brilliant shine. The metal is transformed from dull and damaged to bright and new. The final result of the case restoration is flawless. The polishing process is an art form in itself. Even the smallest components are polished to perfection. The crown is adjusted and polished. The restored case is carefully cleaned one last time. Now, all the restored parts are cleaned in a chemical bath. The solution removes any final traces of oil and debris. The collection of restored parts is a beautiful sight. The work is precise, leaving no room for error. A special paste is applied to the watch hands. This will make them glow in the dark, restoring their luminescence. The paste is carefully removed, leaving a perfect finish. The process is repeated for every component needing treatment. The clean parts gleam, ready to be reunited. Each piece is a work of art in its own right. The tiny jewels of the movement are carefully inspected. The mainspring, the power source of the watch, is restored. The movement is carefully lubricated and reassembled. The final components are set into place. The reassembly of the complex Hublot movement begins. With the steady hand of a surgeon, the watchmaker rebuilds the intricate machine. Each tiny gear and spring is returned to its rightful place. The dial is carefully placed over the restored movement. The precision required is almost superhuman. The movement is once again a symphony of moving parts. Layer by layer, the watch is made whole. The complexity of the mechanism is astounding. The balance wheel is installed, ready to beat again. The automatic winding rotor is attached. The finished movement is a masterpiece of restoration. All of the tiny screws and components are laid out, ready for the final assembly. The hands are carefully fitted onto the watch face. The iconic Hublot bezel is secured with its signature screws. The transparent case back is installed, showcasing the beautiful movement. Each screw is tightened with a specialized tool. A new, luxurious black leather strap is attached. The final step in a long and arduous journey. The resurrected timepiece is now complete. A stunning example of how beauty can be reclaimed from ruin. A masterpiece reborn. The watch is fastened to the wrist, its journey complete. It is a testament to patience, skill, and the enduring power of craftsmanship. A forgotten object, once discarded as trash, is now a prized possession. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Restoration Car for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.